Hi everyone, I'm going to show you permanently delete your Instagram account in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram apps. Then click on profile icon. Then click on three-line menu. Then tap on Account Center. Then tap on Personal Details. Then tap on Account Ownership and Control. Then tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Then select your account. Then select delete account and tap on continue. Then select your issue, like want to remove something. Then click on continue. Then tap on again continue. Scroll down, then tap on continue. Then tap on password. Then tap on continue. Now just click on the delete account. Done. Account will be permanently deleted after 3 days. If this video helped you, don't forget like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.